Hello everyone, this is my short review on Windows 8. Let's see how fast it starts. Okay, that's posting right now. Gotta pick the hard drive. Okay. I'm gonna put a countdown right there. So Windows 8 doesn't have a typical login screen, so it's basically a lock screen where you log in with your Windows Lab account. See? You just, with your mouse, or if you have a touch screen, just drag up to reveal the login screen in there. Let me put my login information. So this is what you'll basically see when you start up Windows 8. After logging in, you'll notice that we don't go straight to a desktop. To go to a desktop, you gotta click right here on the desktop panel. Basically the same, and I've installed a few programs already. And to go back to a start panel, since we don't have a start menu, we're gonna click right there on the start button. We go back to the panel or a screen, whatever it's called. We have Windows Explorer, which works just as it used to, but a little bit more revamped, sort of like Office. We have a few apps like Socialite that links directly to Facebook, and Twitterama, which is obviously Twitter. We have your timeline here, your updates here, who you're following, and their tweets. To go back, we hit on the Windows tab, Windows key right here. And if you want to go back, like to the app, hit it again. It works a lot like a home button for like iOS devices and other mobile phones. We have a stocks app, which you can configure your own stocks if you want, if you're into that sort of thing. We have a control panel, completely revamped, but if you have to, you could use the old one. See, you could change your lock screen picture, your user information, wireless. I don't have wireless since this is a desktop. Notifications, which are new for Windows 8. Well, new in this fashion. Your privacy settings, general settings like your touch keyboard, on-screen keyboard. You got search, and a bunch of other things that we're used to. Home group settings, which come from Windows 7. We got Windows Update. That's not going that's not going away anytime soon. And more settings. That's a classic menu. And go back. We have a weather app, which is pretty cool. Alarms, which is pretty useless for a desktop. I don't know, I wouldn't use a desktop as a alarm clock to wake up in the morning. A few games. We got a few pre-installed apps like flashcards. We got addition, like for quizzes on shapes, state flags, landmarks, subtraction, solar system, world flags, stuff like that. Pretty useful for schools. We got a store, a Windows store coming soon. We don't got that ready yet. A newsreader with a few sources pre-installed. Lolcats. Let me set it up right quick and see how it looks. Yep, Lolcats are right. To navigate around, you just use your scroller on your mouse, or use a drag with your touchscreen. Here's another feature in Internet Explorer. It's basically like a mobile version. Pretty simple. You can't like right click like you used to for like page properties and stuff like that. When you right click, you got the tabs on the top, the address bar on the bottom with a little pin so you can pin the page. Pretty simple. Close the tabs like you would any other app, the X right there. And when you have no pages open, you got your frequent pages and your pinned pages here. I haven't pinned any. So if you want to shut down Windows, just go to the bottom left corner all the way down and hit settings, and right here power. Asks you to sleep, shut down, or restart. You got your notification area if you want to shut it down, turn it back on. Your network with your network connections. You also got, of course, your sound settings, your keyboard settings, your devices if you got anything plugged in, your search if you want to search for an app right here, with all your apps right here. Most of these came pre-installed. You can notice how the start panel became like the primary part of the system. You barely see the desktop anymore. Of course, this has been running already. I have installed that. So we're basically done. Oh, and also notice when we place the mouse on the left area, bottom left area, we got a blow up of the clock with the time, with the date, and your battery information right there. So as I said, to shut down, just hit power and just shut down right here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.